morning. In this lecture video, I am going to explain construction of state diagram for the code converter. So as I explained code converter in the previous videos, so in this video I am going to explain construction of state diagram. So using the reasoning applied in code converter table. See again starts with the at T naught, start with the initial state, reset state, that is A. Correct? So now as we know at T naught, if x is equal to 0, z is equal to 1. I mean if input is 0, output is 1. If input is 1, output is 0. So suppose if 0 is received, so it makes output 1 and it will go to new state B. So where in B means the received sequence is 0. Suppose if it is 1, it will go to C state. Okay, output is 0. See, because if input is 0, output is 0 at T naught. At T naught. Clear na? So next at T1. Next time T1. Okay, that means we are in state B and C. We are in state B and C. In B we received 0. Okay, and in C means we received 1. Okay na? Here remember here LSB is first. LSB is first. Okay. Next at B, sorry, at T1, if received sequence is 0 0, output is 1. If it is 0 1, 0. If it is 1 0 0 1 1. Now let's see at B, if input is 0, let it go to the new state D. Okay. Now the received sequence is 0 0. Remember we received LSB first. So always we read from MSB. So this is MSB, no? 0 0. If 0 0, output is 1. That is why here written we made output 1. Clear no? Suppose at C if input is 0. If input is 0, let it go to new state E and the received sequence is 0 1. Okay. This is LSB and this is MSB 0 1. For 0 1, output is 0. Okay na? And at B, if 1 is received, received sequence go back. Here it is 1 and 0. So we are receiving from LSB. I mean LSB is first. So we are reading from MSB, no? That is why recent received is 1 and previous received is 0. If 1 0, sorry, yeah, 1 0. If it is 1 0, output is 0. So output is 0. Again at C, if 1 is received, the total received sequence is 1 and 1. So if it is 1 1, output is 1. So we made output 1. Clear na? So this is the this is like a tree diagram. This is like a tree diagram. Okay. So similarly at T2, I mean we are in state D, E, F, G. Right? So again we know at T2 if 000 is received, output is these are the status, right? If 0 0, output is 0. If 0 0 1 1, like that. So now we'll analyze the same thing here. At D, if we received 0, let it go to new state H, and the received sequence C input is 0 0 0. For 000, output should be 0. That is why we made output 0 here. Okay na? And at E, if 0 is received, see the total received sequence is 0 0 1. For 0 0 1, output should be 1. That is why here output is 1. Clear no? Next at F, if 0 is received, total received is 0 1 0. For 0 1 0, output should be 1. Hence we made output 1. And at G, if 0 is received, let it go to new state K. Okay. The total received sequence is 0 1 1. So for 0 1 1, z is 1. Hence we made output 1. Clear now? If we receive, what happens? We verified at T2. Next, analyze similar way at T2 if 1 is received. I mean, start from D if 1 received. 1 received. Let it go to new state L. Output is 1 because see the total received sequence is this is 1, 0 and 0. So 1 0 0 output is 1. Clear now? And at E if 1 is received, let it go to new state M and output is 0. Clear now? So because total received sequence is see MSB 1 0 1. Go back to the path. For 1 0 1 z is 0. Clear now? At F if 1 is received, it will go to new state N. Analyze the total received sequence 1. Go back to the path 1 again 0. So 1 1 0. For 1 1 0 z is 0. Hence here we made output 0. Clear now? And at last G at G if 1 is received, it will go to new state P and verify the received sequence. Here it is 1 1 1. For triple 1 output is 0. Hence we made output 0. Clear na? So we completed at T2 if the input is received either 0 or 1, what will be the output and what is the next state. Now at the T3, T3 means we are at the state H, L, J, N, these are the states. Again we know at T3, this is the output sequences. Okay. Now analyze if 0 is received at H. So it will go to reset state. Because 4 bits are received. See, 0 is received. It will go to reset state, that is A. And what is the output? See, analyze received sequence 0, 0, 0 and 0. For 4 zeros, output is 0. Similarly, at I, if 0 is received, again it will go to reset state A and the total received sequence is 0, 0, 0, 1. So 0001 Z is 0. So Z is 0, we made output 0. Clear now? Next, at J, if 0 is received, no doubt it will go to reset state and analyze the total received sequence is 0, 0, 1, 0. So 0, 0, 1, 0, Z is 0. Hence we made 0. Clear now? And at K, if 0 is received, it will go to reset state. The total received sequence is 0, 0, 1, 1. So for 0, 0, 1, 1, Z is 0. So here we made Z output a 0. Clear now? Next, at L, yeah, if we receive 0, okay, it will go to reset state and analyze the total received sequence is 0, go back to the path, 1, 0, 0. So 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. So 0, 1, 0, 0 means Z is 0. So here output is 0. Next, at M, if 0 is received, total received sequence is 0, 1, Go back to the path 0 and 1. So 0 1 0 1. So for 0 1 0 1 z is 1. So hence we made output 1. Okay. Similarly at n if 0 is received, the total received sequence is 0 1 1 0. So 0 1 1 0 z is 1. So output is 1. And at p if 0 is received, 0 1 1 1. So 0 triple 1. For 0 triple 1 that is 1. So here we made 1. Okay. So we verified all 8 zeros. Next, if you receive 1 at h, yeah, total received is 1 0 0 0. So for 1 triple 0 z is 1. So hence we made z output 1. And next at I if 1 is received, the received sequence is 1 0 0 1. For 1 0 0 1 z is 1. So we made clear now. So here next at j if 1 is received, the total received sequence is 1 0 1 0. So 1 0 1 0 is not specified in the truth table. So output is don't care. Output is specified as a don't care. So we are not including this in the state graph. We remove that. Similarly, at k, if 1 is received, total received sequence is 1 0 1 1. That is also not specified. Output is not specified, so output is don't care, and that is removed. And at L, if 1 is received, the total received sequence is 1 1 0 0, not triple 0 0 0. So output is don't care, that is also removed. Clear na? And similarly at M, if 1 is received, output is don't care, since the received sequence is 1 1 0 1, that is also not specified in the code converter table, so that is also removed. Clear na? And at N, if 1 is received, the total received sequence is 1110, that is also not specified, so hence output is specified as a don't care, so that I have removed in the graph. And next at P, if 1 is received, the total received sequence is 4 ones. Again for 4 ones, output is not specified, so output is don't care, so that is also removed. Clear na? This is the complete state graph for a code converter, that is BC to XS3. Okay, so I'll continue in the next video. Thank you.